So guys, nag-renew kami ng internet ng house sa Shaw, affiliate ng Rogers. So ito yung bagong modem nila. Ayan. Yan yung tinatawag na Ignite Wi-Fi Gateway Gen 3. Ngayon, install ko sa by myself. Mali naman ito yung dati. So meron siyang auxiliary wire, so yung adapter, plug-in type. So tatanggalin ko yung luma. Ito ang ilalagay ko doon. Connected to the outlet. Then I'm gonna put it here. Then plug in power cord. In. After plug in. Green. Now solid white, that is ready to connect the Wi-Fi to your device and to the TV. So you can find the network default name and the password in here. You can change that one later on. Then you go to your network internet connection. The network name, net, then enter.